Looking for a simple way to upgrade your daycare or preschool nap mats? Our microfiber fitted sheets are designed to fit perfectly over 24 by 48 by 4 folding nap rest mats, offering a snug, secure cover that stays in place throughout nap time. No more slipping or bunching, just smooth comfort your little ones will appreciate. I've seen firsthand how these sheets make a difference. Made from a breathable cotton-polyester blend, they strike the right balance between softness and durability. The fabric feels cool against the skin, which helps kids rest comfortably without overheating. Plus, the 4 corner pockets ensure a tight fit on mats up to 4 inches thick, so the sheets don't shift even during active rest periods. It's a small detail that makes a big impact on daily routines. Cleaning is a breeze, too. These sheets are fully machine washable, so they hold up well through frequent laundering, an absolute must in busy daycare settings. The ease of folding mats with these fitted sheets still on means less hassle for staff and more time for what really matters, caring for the kids. If you're managing a daycare or preschool, this microfiber fitted sheet is worth a look. It's a practical, comfortable upgrade that improves nap time for children and simplifies cleanup for caregivers. When you want a reliable, well-fitting sheet that blends softness with easy maintenance, this product delivers. Ready to make nap time more comfortable and hassle-free? Try our microfiber fitted sheets when you're ready. They fit perfectly, wash easily, and provide the cozy rest environment every child deserves.